Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. I made an attempt to get the Elizabeth in the water today. Unfortunately, what did I do? It's freaking 90 degrees out and I got myself heat exhaustion. So I had to abort. What we got right now is we got all our sonar equipment all ready to go. Got my boat motor. I replaced the board on my foot pedal that controls the motor. The other day, here we are. So now I can control it left, right, my speed. It's all ready to go. I've been having problems with my letters. I deflated it and the rubber letters decided they wanted to try and start falling off. So I've had to try and circumvent that. What I did is I used some of that clear spray rubber on it, and I at least got it so it's staying on the boat. My motor. So I tried, but unfortunately, like I said, I got myself heat exhaustion, and I had to go play in the try and play in the sun again. It's getting ready to thunder and storm again, but my first attempt failed. So we'll try it. We're gonna go ahead and try it another day. Unfortunately, moving this 14-foot around is definitely not a one-person thing. Oh man, I shoved that back, didn't I? Oh boy, didn't have to come all the way in. Huh. Getting it on here, you can't do it yourself. Getting it in the water is going to be a chore. I'm gonna need a regular boat. Not exactly a regular boat trailer, but at least a kayak trailer. That I was gonna use this okay, but look how high I am off the water. I'm trying to get it on here. It's not gonna be it wasn't fun doing what I just did, trying to get this on there. Oh man, it don't slide very well. Man, I need rollers. Ah, man, I need to get up on it. I need to get up on here. That's why I put the carpet up there. It's alright. Hurt the bottom of the boat. If I can help it. Okay. Alright, I gotta get my butt down. Back here. Okay. There we go. Alright, just back on here. Alright, I close my door. I went to put it on here, and I forgot, and I stepped on it, and I cracked my board. So now I'm back to the. I need to put a piece of something under that, but I think I need to. I really think I got to get and find me a boat trailer. Slide it on here, but now I gotta repair. Now I gotta repair that. So, all right, so back in here. I did find that I'm not gonna. My situation with my down scan, my skimmer, is not gonna be what I want to happen. And there. Because the skimmer's back here and it's already hanging down below the boat when I get it set up on my motor. So you can see I'm not going to be able to reach over and get that installed. So I'm going to have to do similar to this on the other side. I get the skimmer to drop down on the other side. So anyway, I got some stuff I got to work out, and of course you don't know this stuff till you get going. And this is taking me trying to get my letters. When I thought I was going to just deflate it and roll it up, well, unfortunately all my numbers got screwed up. All my letters and all my numbers got screwed up when I went to try and when I deflated it. Because when you put these on, you're doing it while it's inflated like it is. So then of course once it shrinks, then they all combine and then they want to stay the same size and they're pulling off of the thing. So like I said, I sprayed it with some that clear rubber. I thought that was going to work. It'll keep them on there. So anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Searching For.